Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to connect your single colour LED light sheets. Let's get into it. Before we begin, please make sure that your mains supply is powered off. First, you'll want to connect your driver to your mains supply, and if you've got an EasyLight 5-in-1 Wi-Fi receiver with your light sheets, you'll want to connect the driver to the receiver in the V+ and V- terminals, and the long 2-core cable that comes with the light sheet into the receiver, with the plain cable inserted into V+, and the other core with the black band running down it inserted into the WW terminal. If you haven't opted for a receiver, then the driver can connect directly to the long 2-core cable connector that came with the light sheet using Wago connectors or similar, ensuring that the cable with the black band is connected to the black cable from your power supply. Then, take the other end of the 2-core cable and insert it into any connector terminal on your light sheet. You can also use the supplied short 2-core cable connector to daisy chain multiple light sheets together for larger installations. Just be sure not to exceed the load of either the controller or the driver. Now, if you have a 5-in-1 receiver, press the set button on your receiver until the LED indicator light turns white. This is the correct mode for single colour lights. Then, on your controller, press the on-off button 3 times in a row to pair it to the 5-in-1 receiver. Upon successful pairing, the lights will flash 3 times, after which you're all set. You can now use the controller to switch your light sheets on or off, or dim the light if you have a dimmable driver, as well as connect the receiver to your Wi-Fi for automated lighting.